evening, viewers. My name is Sylvia Akaleme, Business Development Manager for Reliance Info Systems. We are actually premier partners with Cyberoam, Nigeria and West Africa. I have with me here Mr. Adeleke Ogunbela. He is one of our customers and a Cyberoam fan. You're welcome. How are you doing? Okay. I'm going to be asking you some questions, Mr. Adeleke. First question I would like to ask you is, how much do you depend on internet in your application?
Internet is the backbone of my organization because of the fact that we have all of our users have to be connected at any point in time, wherever they are in the world.
Okay.
So at all times, internet is one of the most, in fact, basically the most important part of the business that we have. We must have internet, bandwidth-wise, speed-wise, availability at all times. Yeah.
Mr. Adeleke, what's your take on Cyberoam? How do you feel about Cyberoam?
Well, personally, before now, I was very skeptical about Cyberoam until a colleague of mine, introduced Cyberoam to me all over again. And okay, I decided to give it a trial, and ever since then, I can tell you basically that I have rest of mind. So I can say for me, Cyberoam is basically peace of mind.
Can I conclusively say that Cyberoam is actually the best UCM you've encountered?
Yes. Coming from my background, I have actually worked for a company that used to be he is McAfee partner in Nigeria, West Africa. I work on the support group there, and I've had experiences with other firewalls like Checkpoint. And also the McAfee firewall and all that. But since Cyberoam, basically, I can say categorically that I've not come across the device that can do layer 8 filtering like Cyberoam can, and at the same time that you can just have everything all in one box. That's just the best part of this.
How many Cyberoam appliances have you deployed, and where have you actually deployed these appliances?
Okay, we have 2 Cyberoam appliances on my network.
Okay.
We have a CR200, which is basically the main firewall or UTM device that we have on the network. Then my sister company in Cotonou, we have another Cyberoam there, a CR50i.
Okay.
Yeah. So currently we'll be looking at a remote backup in Belgium. So we are also looking at purchasing another Cyberoam where we can do a site-to-site VPN, so we can basically have our backups remotely instead of on-premise as we currently have it.
Okay. Mr. Adeleke, how would you actually rate Cyberoam in terms of support?
I would say 9 over 10. I would say 9 over 10. They've always been quick to respond to my queries, to my issues, to my challenges at any point in time. Even when it is not Cyberoam related, they're always able to direct me and point me to exactly where the challenge is coming from. So I would say 9 over 10, yeah.
Then in terms of benefits to your organization, when we talk about post-Cyberoam support, is it also effective?
Yes, very effective. Very, very effective, I must say. I hardly, because Cyberoam is a deploy once and it remains there at all times. Little additional configuration, like I said, maybe I just have minor challenges, and I'm quick to raise a service request, and they're also quick to respond. They chat with me, they log on to my Cyberoam firewall remotely. One of the support staff resolved the issue. On 1 or 2 occasions, I've actually been one of the customers that would raise point out the challenge or an issue that Cyberoam is experiencing, and they would appreciate that. And also, in the next 24 hours, between 24 and 48 hours, a new framework is released that basically resolves that issue. So I believe, yeah, possible.
That means you basically recommend Cyberoam?
At all times. I like to pride myself as the Cyberoam ambassador, basically self-acclaimed Cyberoam ambassador. Yeah, because I basically have peace knowing that my network is secure. One of the benefits of Cyberoam, I can say, is the anti-spam features. I basically don't have any anti-spam on my Exchange server because Cyberoam is doing all the jobs. So
Well, you've heard it all, viewers. I have been talking with the IT manager of Lababidi Holdings. He said everything you need to know about Cyberoam. So go out there, every organization. If you're talking about security, Cyberoam is number one beauty of it. Thank you so much, Mr. Adeleke.
Thank you.